Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your invoice theme on FreshBooks. So this is going to become particularly useful for individuals who want to add more brand colors to their invoices. So make sure to watch this video all the way up until the end to learn how to edit your theme on your invoices on FreshBooks. So what we're going to do first is go onto our FreshBooks account. Then on the left-hand side, let's go ahead and click on our invoices. So once you're in this invoices page, you're going to click on new invoice. And then from here, you could actually customize your invoice style. So to actually toggle this menu, you're just going to click on this gray icon with the hamburgers that says settings, and then go ahead and click on customize invoice style. So here you can choose from a variety of different theme color templates to kind of match your brand color. You can change the font, and you could also customize your logo and invoice style for all invoices if you want to make sure that they all follow a similar theme. So if you go ahead and actually click on this button here, this is actually going to take you to your settings brand appearance tab. So if you edit it from here, moving forward, all your invoices will match a certain color. So if I change this to purple, you can see that all the font colors, or some of them, change to a purple color, and the font is modern. I can also change it to classic, and then you can drag and drop your logo here as well. So in order to reach this settings menu, all you've got to do is click on settings, and then scroll down to where it says brand appearance, and then go ahead and edit the colors that you want for your invoice. So that's how I found to be the best way to change your invoice theme on FreshBooks. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.